Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Jira for project management or software development and you're trying to connect it with other tools or automate workflows, you'll need a Jira API token. In this quick step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to generate your Jira API token safely and use it all in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Jira account. Once you're on your Jira dashboard, look at the top right corner. Click on your profile icon. From the dropdown, choose Account Setting. This will take you to your Atlassian account settings page. Now, in the left-hand menu, click on Security. Scroll a bit and you'll see an option called Create and Manage API Tokens. Go ahead and click that. Next, hit the Create Token button. You'll be asked to give it a name. Make it something descriptive like Project Management Integration or Jira Automation so you'll recognize it later. Once you've created it, Jira will immediately generate your API token. Make sure to copy it right away because you won't be able to view it again. Once you leave the page, store it somewhere safe. Ideally in a password manager or a secure notes app. Now, whenever you need to connect Jira with another app or use the API, simply use your Atlassian email address as the username and this API token as the password for authentication. Remember, this token acts like a password, so never share it publicly or post it in code repositories. And that's it. You've just created your Jira API token, quick, easy, and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.